Hi, Joanna. So today we will be working on your IEP goal 3 and 4. So let's get started. So goal three is mathematics, and you'll be doing objective number 2, which is right here. So fill the correct tens and ones for the given number. So you have number 67. Remember, the first number is always a ones and the second is always a tens. So which is your 1? 7. And which is your 10? 6. So you put 6 here. So go ahead and do the rest of the problems on your own. And let's keep going. So now goal number 4, which is also mathematics, and you'll be doing objective number 2. You're going to be solving 3-digit addition problems. So right here you have the addition problems 1 through 24, and you're going to add. Okay, so let me help you with problem number 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. So your answer will be 778. Let's do problem number 2 also. So 7 plus 2 is 9. 0 plus 5 is 5. 6 plus 2 is 8. So 6, so that's your answer. So go ahead and work the rest of the problems on your own. Make sure you check them to make sure they're correct. If you have any questions, go ahead and call me. And when you're done, can you please upload them to Teams?